we have the best solution with Vericut for the simulation and optimization in one solution for the customer. And this is what we see here in the DX office. This is perfect for customers. My name is Torsten Böck. I'm responsible guy for the DX office here on the EMO booth. I'm responsible for sales and service for the CAD/CAM and simulation stuff, and also for the tool management here. We have several things here in this area. We have programming systems, we have tooling systems, we have topics for MES and so on. What we have found in this way is with Vericut, a very open partner with a good relationship for simulation, and not only for simulation. We have also possibilities so we can get the optimizing. Force is a good tool for optimize the tools in the production. So we can give the customer a complete process from the beginning, from the ID from the part until the end, the finished part, with all steps in the chain. That means programming, simulation, verification, until the final part with tool management. And what is helpful for the DX office for the finalization is the verification. And this is the helpful thing with Vericut. The best thing is on Vericut, we have it not only for a machine brand, we can open all things for all machines and for all kind of machines. We can do it with easy milling machine, with turn machine, with mill turn machines, with everything, with grinding machine. We can do the whole package with Vericut, can we simulate and can also optimize the complete process. What we see here in the DX office, the whole process chain from the beginning until the end. In the Vericut, we have verified or certificated interfaces for CAM systems, like what we have here in the DX office is Siemens NX and S3. It is very easy. We have a green button. We can install this and it's running in a very smooth way. All things comes over the interface, the 0 point, the tools, the devices, raw material comes automatically in the CAM system, and we can verify with more or less one click, and we have the result very easy. For the communication or the daily support with Vericut, it's very good. For service support, we have a communication not only here with the headquarters here in Europe. We are DMG MORI. We search with the machines, it's a high-level machines, 5-axis, multi-axis machines, and we search to solutions for programming and simulation for high-level production and high-level customers. And so we have found Vericut with the solution. This is the best solution on the market at the moment. Nobody can struggle with this. This is perfect solution for us.